How's it going today, guys? Today we are finally getting started on the Camaro. Sorry. So with the Camaro, that needs to happen is we need to get these doors done. I got the hinges right over here, and they are in awesome shape. I ordered those a while back, and they're just going to be an awesome addition to this thing. And it will also help from this door actually closing properly, because every time we open the door does drop down a little bit. I mean, it's not easy to see it, but it does drop down. So that is a problem here. And when we have the fenders all bolted up, it does hit this, and we really don't want that. So we're definitely going to fix that today. And so might as well jump right into this. Alrighty, now that we got the doors back on, these things look so much better. Brand new pieces, and no more of this door sagging. I gotta do it this way. I got a messed up thumb. The door no longer sags. And now we actually have door stops. It won't go past a certain point, which is really nice. Because before, with these old ones, as you can see, these do not have any way of stopping, and they're old and all rusty, and the new ones just look way better. We stopped today because these doors are kind of heavy. They are full steel doors. But in the next video, we're going to get the fenders back on, get everything realigned, and then I think I'm going to order some new brake parts for this thing. The e-brake's been removed, and there's a couple of other things that we have to do to it. And then I think after that, we can really start the body work. One of our main problems is all of this. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But this stuff's a trial and error. We'll work on it the best we can, and if we mess up, we can always redo it. It's pretty easy to do. Another major concern I pointed out in the last video is there are dents in this, as you can hopefully see. There are some pretty big dents. We think this thing was in a rear end collision because it looks like somebody tried to replace this panel and then ended up not wanting to replace it and just tried to rivet it back in. So we do have to fix that. We've got a lot of puttying to do on this thing, so it's going to be a chore, but it'll be fun to do, and soon this thing will be back on the road. I think the last time it was on the road was like in the 90s, so way before I was born. But if you guys like the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It will really help me out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.